Do you have any, I said, do you have any suggestions for meditations? Because it's been challenging more and more. I used to be able to meditate for an hour, and now it's very challenging to stay still. So meditation practices, books, videos, or any type of place where it's one information and not very confusing. So I can kind of like, get more acquainted and feel more empowered.
Okay. So
Plus anything with sleep. Lately I've been getting zero sleep.
right.
So, but any suggestions, books, videos, point of information in one place? Thanks.
Okay. So question for you. So when you say that it's become very difficult to meditate and you can't sit still, what does that look like for you?
Lately, before it was just more sound and peaceful, and now it's either, you know, she's very, very active, or I feel like I can run a mile because I got so much energy stuff. And especially in my sacral and my mid area, where I just feel like I just want to jump out of my skin. And it's just, I just feel like I can't concentrate or sit still or be at peace. It's just a little more, so I could do it for 10, 15 minutes at a time. But I used to be able to meditate for an hour,
Yeah.
so I'm just kind of like disappointed in myself. I know I shouldn't be, but I just like, I get disappointed in myself because I'm like, I should be doing more. I should be doing more. I should be doing more. I'm going through all this stuff, and my mind's racing, and she's moving constantly all day, every day, especially in my midsection. I'm jumping and moving. So
Right.
it's just been, it's hard to concentrate. That's what I meant.
Got it. Got it. Okay. So I invite you to drop the idea of meditation being peaceful, meditation being
Okay.
about concentration. Drop that. I like to say, like the instructions I give at the beginning of our meditation here for 5 minutes is just allow and observe. That's meditation. Your mind can race, your body can contort, allow and observe. That's very effective meditation. So the
Okay.
not a metaphor, but the example I can share is when Siddhartha Gautama, prior to becoming the Buddha, he sat down under the Bodhi tree. He said, "I'm not getting up until I'm enlightened." He didn't have a peaceful meditation and become enlightened. If you look in the story, like demons came, like tempted him, and all this. It was difficult. It wasn't easy. It wasn't peaceful. It wasn't still. It was all sorts of chaos. And after moving through that chaos without getting up, then he was, of course, enlightened. So same idea, you can apply that to yourself. You don't have to sit still. Just create a container and say, whatever is arising in this 1 hour, let it move through me, let it shake me. If I want to cry, vocalize, maybe there will be peace, maybe there will be stillness. That's how we move through what's coming up. And it's not that you're not doing enough. It's moving through you 24/7. She's not going to let you not do enough. Whatever you're doing is perfectly enough. And be okay with it. Be okay with it. There will be times
Okay.
where you can't even create space for it, and that's okay too. In terms of another option is you can also do a walking meditation. So
Okay. Yeah. Like on a beach. Yeah, I do.
yeah,
Yeah.
just feeling every section of each foot touching the ground, noticing the wind, the sensations, thoughts. Just that's the meditation now. So it can be a bit of a middle ground there, and that can also help you to release some excess energy, and hopefully you can get some sleep as well.
Yeah. And working out works too. So
Yeah,
that does work
good, good.
out.
Yeah, good. But yeah, overall, allow and observe. Allow and observe.
Allow. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.